Hello everybody, how you guys been doing, and welcome back to our channel Tech World, where we post guide videos. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can log in or register for HSBC Bank's mobile banking. Alright, so follow the steps which I'm going to be showing you. And before that, for those people who do not know what HSBC UK is, HSBC UK is a British multinational universal bank and a financial service holding company. It is the second largest bank in a row behind BNP Paribas, with total equity of $206.777 billion. That's a lot of money being stored in this bank. Alright, so you can understand how big this bank is. Let me show you guys how we guys can use its app. Just don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our channel, Tech World, for future videos like this and future informations like this as well. Now let's move on. First step. You can easily download HSBC UK Bank from your Play Store and App Store. If it is not available in your Play Store or App Store, then basically HSBC Bank is not available in your country. Alright, so open it up by downloading it. And after you download it, it's going to greet you with this sector. Now once you're over here, you can click on where it says Log On Now in order to log in into your account. And if you have not yet created an account, then you can register for its mobile and online banking sector over here by clicking on it and filling up its form, right? And if you want to see what's new in this bank, you can always click and see what's new in order to see the latest news. But I'm going to click on Log On Now to teach you guys how we guys can log in into your account. Once you click on Log On, now it's going to ask you to enter your username. So you can enter your username over here, and after entering your username, you can click on Continue. And on the next step is going to ask you to enter the password of your account if the username you entered over here is correct. If it is incorrect, it's going to give you information like this. So make sure to enter a correct username and then enter your correct password. And you should be able to log in into HSBC Bank's online banking account. And if you want the device to remember your username, you can tick mark this box. And what this is going to do is every single time you come into the app, you don't have to enter your username. It's going to straight up take you into your account, right? That's what it's going to do. But that's basically what you know, HSBC UK Bank's app, how you guys can use it, so don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. Bye.